Hi, my name is Joshua Robb. I've been with NPS for 9 years and I'm the technical sales manager. So NPS machines always been designed with the African market in mind, specifically for sugar, rice, salt, these type of products. NPS machine does well in those packagings, especially when it comes to reliability, efficiencies and durability. It's where NPS thrives in the market. Our machine is manufactured to be able to provide good uptime for the customer while meeting their expectations and demands. We pride ourselves in our manufacturing capabilities and quality of the machine in order to keep the uptime of the customer's production at a maximum while reducing costs and downtime of the machine.